Grey's Anatomy is proudly sponsored by Clinigen. Right medicine, lucky patient, right time.
Nobody knows where they might end up. Nobody knows. Suppose you'll never know.
Come on, doctor. Pick up.
Sweetheart, please tell me you found the hotel.
Oh yes, I did, baby, and everything is look like it's not.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
awesome. The honeymoon is less than 2 months away. I'm so excited.
Wow, baby, I can't wait.
Hang on. Dr. Valeska?
Hi, doctor. Oh, doctor, it's Scrub Sister from Theatre 6. We have an emergency. A code red P1. We have an MVA patient. And she's got an open chest wound. We need you and Dr. Madeda immediately.
We're on our way. Okay, we gotta go, babe. There's a MVA in Theatre 6.
Sure. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, let's
Come.
run.
Okay, doctor, I'm administering the Penthrope stat.
Okay, please go on. And please don't forget to give her a pen drop, ne?
Yes.
Please, go
Done.
on. Yes, doctor. Yeah, this is getting too dangerous, so we must... No? Yes, okay. Please, doctor. Okay, even this eye is interrupting us. Okay, a hammer.
Yes,
Please.
doctor.
She's still breathing. Let me... Wake up, please. Did you do the injection?
Yes, it's been done, doctor. Not looking good.
But she's still breathing. Injection, please. Let's try to overdose.
Yes, I think injection, doctor.
Let's overdose.
How about the
Hey.
issue, doctor?
Two.
Afternoon, Dr. Madela.
Oh, what's wrong? You must go to the vet. What's wrong, baby?
I think the baby's coming.
Oh, Dr. Valeska, where's the other doctor?
Almost there!
Let's take the young one.
Oh, ingane yomfana. Oh, ifana nawe Dr. Mate. Ingane yakho kade ngikho ingane yakho nje le. Ifana naye
I can explain.
Explain what?